Thank you. Thank you.
And if you can put everyone on mute mode. All right. So good evening, everyone, and warm welcome to the 45th monthly meeting of BCBA, an initiative of Basin Christian Foundation. This is effectively our ninth online event. We had 6 webinars and 2 monthly meetings already in this lockdown period, and this is the 3rd monthly meeting since lockdown. Before we commence the proceedings, a gentle request to all of you to keep your surroundings on the silent mode and then move to a better internet zone to the extent possible. BCBA म्हणजे एका चळवळीचा प्रवास, ख्रिश्चन उद्योजक आणि व्यावसायिकांचा, एका स्वप्नाचा, उपलब्ध संसाधनांचा वापर करून आपल्या समुदायासाठी उद्योजकता कौशल्य तयार करणे आणि एकमेकांची वाढ करणे, पारदर्शकता, वचनबद्धता, उत्कृष्टता आणि विश्वास ह्या तत्वांवर. Let us begin the meeting with prayer. May I request David DeMonte to lead the prayer, please?
Hello.
Yes, David, we can hear you.
Yeah. हे प्रेमळ पित्या, आम्हा वसईतील सर्व ख्रिश्चन व्यावसायिकांना बसिंग ख्रिश्चन बिझनेस असोसिएशनच्या नावाने एकत्रित केल्याबद्दल आम्ही तुझे आभार मानतो. आमच्या असोसिएशनच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांना तू दूरदृष्टी आणि कृपा दे. त्यांना आलेल्या संकटावर मात करून सभासदांना चांगल्या तऱ्हेने मार्गदर्शन व प्रेरणा द्यावी म्हणून तुझी विशेष कृपा दे. हे प्रभू येशू, तुझ्या नावाने सभासदांनी ख्रिस्ती मूल्यानुसार एकजुटीने एकमेकांसाठी व्यवसाय संधी निर्माण करून मदत करावी व व्यावसायिक समृद्धी बरोबरच आमची आध्यात्मिक प्रगती व्हावी म्हणून तुझी विशेष कृपा आम्हास दे. हे पवित्र आत्म्या, आमच्या भावी पिढीतील मुलांना आम्ही आदर्श बनावेत. आमच्या व्यावसायिक कार्याद्वारे वसईची व सर्व सभासदांची उत्तरोत्तर प्रगती व्हावी अशी प्रार्थना आम्ही तुझकडे करतो. हे आमच्या स्वर्गीय बापा, तुझे नाव पवित्र मानले जाओ, तुझे राज्य येवो, जसे स्वर्गात तसे पृथ्वीवरही तुझ्या इच्छेप्रमाणे होवो. आमची दररोजची भाकर तू आज आम्हाला दे, आणि जसे आम्ही आमच्या अपराध करणाऱ्यांना क्षमा करतो तसेच तूही आमच्या अपराधांची क्षमा कर. आम्हाला मोहात पडू देऊ नकोस, पण वाईटापासून आम्हाला सोडव. आमेन. थँक्यू.
Thank you, David. Just to get you through the agenda for the meeting, we'll we have just finished the prayer. Then we'll have visitors introduction and welcome. Then we'll have speakers talk for 30 minutes. Then we have a small 10-minute talk on special session on opportunities in website. Then we have member infomercials and then final announcements and Thanksgiving and closure. This is just brief of last few events. We had 6 webinars and 2 monthly meetings already. This is the 3rd monthly meeting in lockdown period. Just to give a background of today's participants who have registered. Overall, we have 29 members and around 8 visitors. And from Basin region, we have 30 members, which includes 25 members and 5 visitors. From Mumbai, we have 2 members, 2 visitors, and outside Mumbai, the remaining members. So now I request Besti to formally introduce all the visitors and then welcome. Besti?
Yes, good evening, everyone. We are really happy, and it's a great privilege to welcome all the visitors who have come to attend the session. We have Terence Vaz from Bastion Fabrication. They are into fabrication works. And we have Sandra Almeida, who is a professor at Viva College. She has been a consistent member to all our webinars. And it's a real pleasure having you with us. She's into teaching profession and she does it as a passion. We also have Robert S. Almeida, sir, who is from the government of the Palghar district. He's into career counseling as well. We also have Ronnie Fernandez from Momo Consultants. The name of his coaching is Lean Coaching and Consulting. We have Dominic Castellano from Star Electronic Concepts. They are into fire and security system manufacturers. And we have Vikas Almeida from Real Estate Consultancy. So welcome, Vikas. We also have Boniface Correa from Mandap Decorators. He's a contractor for weddings and event decorations. So we welcome you all and all the other participants who are with us. We have about 24 of us here today for the 45th monthly meeting. Thank you everyone for joining us today.
Besti, just to request you on the last line.
Yes, we want to specially welcome our special guest, Major Franklin DeMello. He's from the Indian Army, and we are very glad, sir, that you are with us here, and you would be sharing some very important concepts to us after the speaker session today. So welcome, sir. Sir, welcome to this session.
Thank you.
Thank you, Besti. Now I request Harman to formally introduce our today's speaker, Agnolo Rajesh Athait. Harman, sir, please.
Sir, Agnolo Rajesh Athait is a first generation self-made serial and a social entrepreneur, an angel investor, educationist, and motivational speaker. Currently a chairman of St. Angelo's VNCT Ventures, his goal is to develop real estate properties and get affordable luxury houses to the reach of the common man. But life was not easy. He has toiled his way up. ते वसईकर असले तरी त्यांचे कुटुंब 70च्या दशकाच्या उत्तरार्ध मुंबईत स्थायिक झाले. ऑफिस सहायक, कम्प्युटर शिक्षक, LIC सल्लागार, डोर टू डोर सेल्स पर्सन इत्यादी म्हणून कामं केली. Started entrepreneurship as founder of St. Angelo's Computer Center. The Dimensions and Global Christian Chambers of Commerce याचे co-founder आहेत. Then sir ventured into real estate business. Countless awards received. यशस्वी उद्योजकांकडून शिक्षणाची सोय करण्यासाठी उद्योजकांना इन्स्पायरिंग कन्व्हर्सेशन्स नावाचे व्यासपीठ सुरू केले. Sir has recently authored and launched a book, 50 New Life Mantras. BCBA is lucky to have inspiring conversation with him today, and we heartily welcome the entrepreneur, the people's person, the down-to-earth person, the game changer, the achiever, Agnolo Rajesh Athait, to share his view and guide us on the subject, redefining networking. Welcome, sir. We are proud to have you with us.
Thank you so much.
We can have maximum of 3 questions. Sir has to leave as I think by 6:45 because he has got some prior appointments. So please send your questions on the chat and I will take them with the speaker. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Harman. It's always nice to be introduced by somebody else. It feels good. Thank you so much. And I've got a presentation with me, which I would be playing during my conversation. My respects and regards to Major DeMello, who's present on this meeting tonight. Major, very good evening to you.
Good evening, sir. Thank you.
And Raj Sinha is a very, very dear friend of mine. Give him my regards.
Sure, sir.
Okay, so friends, very good evening to you. And I'm Agnolo Rajesh here, as I was introduced. मी एक प्राऊड वसईकर आहे आणि वसईचा कार्यक्रम असताना मला जेव्हा इन्व्हिटेशन आलं तेव्हा आय वॉज व्हेरी हॅपी. मी हरमनला ताबडतोब सांगितलं की इट विल बी अ प्लेजर अँड अ प्रिव्हिलेज टू बी अ पार्ट बिकॉज दॅट्स वेअर आय वॉज बॉर्न. I was born where the Suvarta magazine stands today. That was a hospital once upon a time. मला वाटतं त्याला गिरीज म्हणतात. तर तिथे माझा जन्म झालेला आणि इट इज अ प्राऊड फिलिंग टू बी इंटरॅक्टिंग विथ सो मेनी वसईकर्स. It is so nice to see so many Christian entrepreneurs venturing into business. Entrepreneurship is the only solution for financial freedom and development of the economy and the social good. I always considered entrepreneurs as the best social workers any society, city, state, country, or economy can have. So congratulations on all the people who are present in this presentation today. And it's a real honor and privilege interacting with you all. Thank you so much. So friends, the topic given to me tonight is redefining networking. Networking is critically important for the growth of not only thoughts, but the additional resources that you need and the global scenario that you can capture. We might be from Vasai, but that is not our geographical limitation. Even as entrepreneurs, we are having unlimited boundaries and the growth possibilities are in abundance. Never restrict ourselves to a pin code, to a station, to a city, state, or a country. We are all absolutely global citizens and we have global unlimited depth of opportunity. So let us start viewing the whole world as our local market. Vasai might just be a location from where we are trying to operate whatever we are trying to operate, but our vision needs to be global. And how do we do this? It is very, very simple. We just need to understand the word. One is networking and understand the power of networking. So that's my topic for the evening. And I would be sharing a few slides. Like I was introduced, I'm chairman for St. Angelo's VNCT Ventures. We are one of the largest villa developers in India with multiple projects across Mumbai, Chennai, Coimbatore, and Madurai. I'm into multiple businesses. I'm into real estate development. I'm into fashion and apparel. I've invested in technology. I invest in content creation. I've invested in sports. I've invested in hospitality industry. So I love to be a serial entrepreneur. It gives me the reason to work very hard and very passionately. I'm a passionate mentor. I love mentoring entrepreneurs. I do that across the world. I'm on a mission to build 100 strong entrepreneurs in India through my affiliation with Business Opportunities Club and Corporate Connections, which are all global networking entities. Friends, networking is a concept that we need to understand beyond the meaning of the word networking. I just don't want to discuss on the dictionary explanation of the word networking. To begin with, I would like to say that did you know that cows in a herd are smarter? So when we talk about the word herd, so we talk about herd mentality, we talk about the herd immunity, because today we are faced with the pandemic of coronavirus. So herd immunity is something where a group of people become immune to a particular virus. So the herd word comes from cattle. So nature teaches us a lot of aspects of life. So did you know that cows in a herd are smarter? Cows are typically found in herds, but it is proven that grouping is beneficial to their intelligence. Research has proved that cows get tired of new objects or surrounding when they are alone. They successfully learn, adapt, and thrive in a herd with comfort and ease. The objective of giving this example is, there was a case study which was done that when a cow in isolation is producing milk, the quantum of milk which is produced by a cow which is in a herd or in a group of cows is much higher and better quality, because when you're in a herd, when you're in a network, you become happy and you become productive. So that's the reason I've given these examples of the cows. Friends, we all know that the oldest trick in the book is dating to the Stone Age. Networking and coexisting is one of the most effective tools which is used by human beings to survive and evolve as species. Thousands and thousands of years back, the maximum size of a network of people used to be around 100 to 150 people. And today we have grown to crores of people within a city. Like we are more than 2.5 crore plus when we talk about the city, magical city of Mumbai, Thane, Navi Mumbai put together. So today the numbers have changed, but the power of the network remains the same. What is networking today? So friends, networking is nothing but an ecosystem. An ecosystem where people know you and you know the people, and an ecosystem where you would like to reach so that your network expands and your ecosystem multiplies. An ecosystem of like-minded people ready to share their learning and collaboration to excel in their own spaces is something that we need. The Christian chamber that we are talking about currently, or the chamber of the Basin Catholic Christian people, entrepreneurs, is nothing but a network. And we also need to have a network of networks which can bring opportunities and widen our vision in doing whatever we are currently doing. Friends, how has networking helped me? So let me start with my example. It has helped me to learn and adapt best practices from a wide range of businesses. I wouldn't have been able to do what I do when I operate multiple businesses if not for the knowledge that I gain from the networks that I'm associated with. In our lifetime, we need to be associated with as many networks as possible because it adds to your intelligence, knowledge, experiences. And when you combine all these aspects together, it ultimately leads you to a beautiful world called wisdom. So it has helped me to learn and adapt best practices from a wide range of businesses. It has helped me to get low entry barrier entering new businesses. It has helped me to expand my reach across geographies, and it has helped me to increase my efficiency and my profitability. Friends, if you want to cross geographical boundaries, like I operate in countries like Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Alain, Fujairah, Sharjah, Doha, Qatar, Muscat, Kuwait, Singapore, Malaysia, London, and the US. How am I able to do that? I'm able to do that purely because my active, productive last 30 years of my life, I have deeply invested in relationships and networks. So that has given me global access to people. My top 4 rules for networking are something that I keep very close to my heart, which I would love to share with y'all so that y'all can also start thinking and operating in a similar format. In a network, the first advantage that a network gives you is co-learning and sharing. The top 4 rules that I consider, there are 400 rules. I just picked up 4, which I love and I respect and I like and I implement. Those 4 rules are, friends, in a network, it's very important to be sincere. You cannot act to be sincere. You have to be inherently sincere. It needs to come from your heart. People not only understand your body language and your language and the words that you use, but people also measure the vibrations that you emit whenever they come across with you. So be sincere. Networking doesn't work with selfish motives. We need to be sincere with our thoughts of helping others. So automatically you can get help, which can help you to network and grow. Friends, network is all about sharing resources. Now, henceforth, even in the past, but henceforth all the more important. We can grow only if we can have multiple unlimited resources. Now, can you own all the resources? No, it's not possible. It's not required. It's not feasible. At the same time, you will need all the resources. So how do you get that? The network will help you to get resources which you can't own, but you can connect and utilize for mutual benefits. Friends, having resources such as information, services, and access will build your leadership network through give and take. You need to give your resources to get access to unlimited resources. So life, relationships, and network is all about giving and taking. And in that order, you need to give first, and then you'll be allowed to take from the network. So share resources is one of the most important aspects of networking. We need to have the right mentor. Choosing the right mentor is as critical as getting a mentor in the first place. Be wise in this decision. Friends, each one of us needs to have a mentor. It is mandatory. Without a mentor, we cannot progress in life. I saw Raymond D'Souza, Coach Raymond D'Souza on the network a few minutes back, and he's present on this meeting. So he's a person who's a business coach. A business coach is a mentor. Are you aware, friends? I'm sure you're aware that Sachin Tendulkar is the best batsman the cricketing world has ever given birth to. But at the same time, even on the last day of his retirement, he had a batting coach. He could probably bat better than the coach, but the coach taught him the right strategies of proper batting. What does that tell you? That tells you that every successful man in this world, every successful entrepreneur in this world, if you want to be successful, you need to have a mentor who guides you to the way of success, who guides you to the right strategies, who validates what you're doing is right or wrong. So always have the right mentor. So that is one of my most important top 4 rules for networking. When you have a right mentor, your language changes, your approach changes, and the way you look towards network also changes. One of the most important aspects for networking is we should always think long term. Life is a homeopathic treatment. You cannot have short-term goals or short-term views on any platform that you want to get associated with. It is very important, pertinent to have an absolute long-term view. Like wine, the networks pay rich dividends over time. So I would have had a friend who was my friend in my childhood in my 6th standard of school, but he might be giving a brilliant opportunity to me today. The network becomes more interesting and more powerful as and when we start nurturing that network over a period of years. Never discard a person of what he can and can't do. Every human being in life is very important. Always add people to your network. Never try to minus or delete someone from your network. How to maintain those relationships is a creative call that you need to take in the aptitude of your personality. Friends, network after COVID-19. COVID-19 is a very temporary phenomena. It might evaporate after a few days or a couple of months. But how will you network post COVID-19? The behavior has changed, expectation has changed, the world around us has changed. And I call it as the new world order. So it's a big concept called the new world order. You can definitely search information for that on Google, as well as multiple talks that I've done on the new world order. But I would like to share a few points about what networking would be after COVID-19. Friends, networking is no more good to have. It is a must-have ingredient of your life to sustain, to survive, and to thrive. Life is all about growth. It is our moral responsibility to grow, because when we grow, we become people who serve the economy, the environment, and the universe around us. We are born to serve. Networking is a must to have so that we can reach more number of people. Friends, in networking, you'll need to adapt the change, which is from a personal meeting to a e-meeting. Like what we are doing today, it would have been difficult for me to travel to a physical location, but it is very convenient for me to be in any part of the world and be connected with the help of a Zoom call or the kind of a meeting that we are currently having. So now you have got access to the best resources across the world. Thanks to the new technology, thanks to technologies like Zoom and online meetings and video conferencing, nothing is impossible. You can directly talk to anybody that you desire absolutely comfortably. So that's your adapting the meeting format from meeting to e-meeting. You need to be patient, like everyone else is also grappling with the change. The change is not going to be easy. All the good changes in life are always difficult to adapt, but once you become used to it, they become the source for your success. So even this current change where we have to compulsorily adapt to technology is going to add value to the way you live, think, work, pay, and grow. So friends, we need to focus on giving and not receiving. That is one of the most important mantras of networking. Before you start having your expectations put on the table, it is very important for you to start giving whatever you have. It might be an idea, it might be an opportunity, it might be a contact, it might be a new vision, it might be a new direction. But whatever it is, if you can start giving, you will start receiving. Friends, we need to go beyond the business card. We need to focus on real relationship building. Visiting card exchange is just a formality. 70% of them don't even.
Yes, sorry, Agnello, I've muted them. Please continue.
No, we can't hear anything. Rajesh, we can't hear you.
Yeah, I think there could be some internet issue at his end, probably.
Disconnect. Please hold on for 5 minutes.
Good evening, everybody. I'm sorry to be late, but
Yeah,
I think
hi.
I joined at the right time when the speaker had started, so I didn't address myself.
Good,
So,
good,
good
good,
evening, everybody.
good. Meanwhile, Hanuman sir, can you check directly with Agnello sir if any issue and if he can?
He may reconnect. There he is.
Yeah.
Unmute him. Unmute him.
Yes, yes, done.
Yeah, I'm sorry I got disconnected. I'm back, but fortunately, I was on the last slide of my presentation. So I'm well within time for completing my presentation, and the presentation is done and over. This was my last slide anyways. So I would now like to request all of you all, if you can ask me questions which can be important to you. It's better to have a dialogue rather than a monologue. So my monologue period is over. I'm open to questions that people can ask me, and I can address them so that it gives you some value for the time that you have invested on this particular seminar. I'm open for questions. Please go ahead. John Pinto, nice to see you with your new hairstyle.
Yeah, this
Sir,
is.
thank you. Yes, Nilesh, you were saying something?
Yeah, I mean, I have one question if I can ask.
Yes. Go ahead. I just wanted to thank you for his value, sir, to have his valuable time and his fantastic knowledge. We have enhanced due to his presence today. So, over to question answers. Sir, we will have some few questions. You have to spare little time for us more.
Sure.
Yes, Nilesh, with your question.
Yeah, actually, I just wanted to know now, most of the time people say that if I attend a networking meeting, I have to get something out of it in just attending, just by attending one single meeting. So what is your opinion? I mean, some guidance on this, whether this is the correct understanding.
Networking meeting with an expectations of getting something from the first meeting, you are not going to get anything from any networking meeting that you might attend. The magic of networking starts unfolding only the day you start giving first. You need to begin with giving. If you go with the intention of getting everything, whatever you want in the first meeting, second meeting, third meeting, or the fourth meeting, it is not going to happen. Consistency leads to victory. You need to be consistent in your efforts. You need to be consistent in your presence. You need to be consistent in your participation. Only when you do that, you will start getting results. Like I said, life is a homeopathic treatment. You have to invest in the relationships over a period of time, and you cannot imagine the kind of returns that you might get the day you start getting, the day you are eligible to start getting because of the efforts you invested in networking. So networking is a timeless effort, and you need to be focused on participating and giving to begin with, and then only you will start getting results out of networking. You don't need to have expectations. Expectation spoils the fun. Expectation spoils the game. So please don't have expectations for that. Joy Tuscano has posted a question in the Zoom chat, and I would like to answer that question. What should we look for in a mentor? Now, there are two types of mentors, my friends. One is a mentor where the mentor knows that you are his mentee, and you as a mentee know that he is your mentor. That is one type of having a mentor. You can have multiple mentors, but you should have minimum one mentor. You need to have people that you admire for the kind of work that they do and how it is getting associated with your personality and your nature. When you have that, probably they become your mentors without they knowing that you're their mentee. So everybody knows the story of Dronacharya and Eklavya. So you need to be the Eklavya with multiple Dronacharyas from whom you can learn all the time. The best teacher in the world today is YouTube. The best teacher in the world today is Google. They can answer all your questions, and you can get the best information that is required for your personal growth and the growth of your organization. You need to have the inclination to learn. Always never think that I have learned enough. There is no end to good knowledge, and learning is an absolutely ongoing process. Always have mentors amongst your family. Always have mentors amongst your business circle. Always have platforms like the current chamber that you're operating in, but never live in isolation and never work in isolation. You also need to have professional business coaches who can teach you like a syllabus, step-by-step progress in your business, like Coach Raymond D'Souza. So you need to identify and make sure that your wavelength and your vibrations match with your coach, and the coach is not good to you, but tough on you to perform. Always remember, bitter medicine provides better solutions. So don't try to have a sweet coach who's not going to tax your efforts. always have a tough coach where he can ensure that you will learn very quickly the fastest tricks of the best methods of doing business and ethical ways of doing business and growing faster. So that's my answer to that question. Almeida Robert, sir, responsibilities of mentor, please define. The most important responsibility of a mentor is taking the responsibility of the growth of the mentee in two aspects. One is the mind growth, the knowledge growth of the student, of the mentee, and second, guaranteed business growth. What the mentor needs to give to the mentee is the vision and the strategies to achieve that vision and those goals. He needs to create uncomfortable goals which will make the mentee achieve them with the right strategies, with the right resources, and with the right networks in which he can be able to pursue and achieve. So that is the most important aspect of a mentor. Always believe one thing: you need to do expectation management of life. Whenever you are getting associated with a vendor, with a customer, with an employee, or with your mentor, you need to put forward onto the paper in writing a flowchart of what are your expectations. When the mentor understands your expectations, it becomes easy for him to perform on you. It is like a doctor. When I go to the doctor, if I tell him my symptoms, he will cross-check those symptoms and he'll give me the best medicine. If I don't tell him my symptoms and if he's not able to analyze what is wrong with me, even being the best doctor, which will not be helpful to my health. So it is very important we put out our expectations to the mentor and then move ahead accordingly. So I think these are some of the most important aspects that you need to keep it in mind. There is a message from Alex Narona. He says that I learned through TEDx and Mindvalley videos. You are equally good. Thanks, Alex. Oh, thank you so much. So Mindvalley is good, TEDx is good, but trust me, there are multiple platforms. You can have people teaching you on the basis of your topics also. So always remember one thing: there is a lot of free knowledge available on YouTube, on Google, and multiple other platforms. But it is very important for you to understand on which platform or what topic can be important for you. So please be aware about investing your time on the right content. Just because the content is free, don't consider it as free. The payment that you're giving to watch a content is your time, attention, focus, and efforts. Do not spend your time on efforts which are not going to be productive to you in your life. You need to be responsible for the productivity of your time. So don't take any content that comes across to you. Always be selective of the content that you need, and that will give you desired results. So please keep that in mind. That is for the people who want to learn through technology-based platforms. Alex Narona, okay. David Demonte, why people ignore business networking? They do attend parties, marriages, etc., ceremonies, but not business networking meeting. So probably they are not the people who understand the power and importance of meeting new people and how you can get access to their resources and get business for your growth. So probably that kind of awareness has not happened to them. But remember, friends, all the successful people in the world are successful because they have got a very effective networking around them in their life. They invest good amount of time on networking. Always also remember one thing: do not work in your business. Start working on your business. For you to start working on your business, you need to take the responsibility of growing your enterprise. And to grow your enterprise, it is very important for you to have the right network. But you need to prove yourself that you're worthy of encashing that network first by starting sharing to that particular network. Joy Toscano has a question. Some tips on keeping relationships alive in business networking. You need to be connected with people all the time. You do not have to meet them personally for being in contact with them. And now with social distancing in place, it is not going to be practically possible for attending marriages and birthday parties anymore for quite some time to come. But that's not important. You need to be in touch with the people with the help of technology like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, LinkedIn, YouTube, so many multiple platforms. Your network will start admiring you on the quantum of good information that you give on the social platforms. Always get respected for the contributions that you give. You might probably trigger a right decision-making information for somebody who will be thankful to you and will start following you. Building a network does not necessarily mean meeting people in person or giving something in person. Building a network also means using social media to the hilt and making sure that it supports your growing. Do not get addicted to social media, but do not be away from social media. You need to use social media in the right quantum, with the right purpose, and with the right plan in place on what do you aim to achieve from social media networking. So that is also very critically important to be done. The next topic that I will go from Rakesh is, thanks for your words of wisdom. You are ably embody them. Oh, thank you, Rakesh. Thank you so much for that very effective presentation. Thank you. Prakash, Alex Norona, do you think business style and approach will change after the COVID pandemic? I mean, cash flow and cash process payments. Yes. And they are going to change for the positive. The way we do business, quantum and the quantity of resources that we required initially, we don't need that anymore, which means I can now have a very effective size of my team, which can operate from home or they can operate from anywhere. So my need for a larger office is not there anymore. My operating cost is also responsible for the cost of the product or service that I sell in the market. If I can control my cost of operating, my customer can get a better price and a better value, which means you'll be able to reach out to more number of customers. So our methods of doing business is going to change. Our methods of transacting is going to change. At the same time, our responsibilities are going to be multiplying. Now, every business transaction is going to be supported by technology. Every transaction is going to happen with the support of the technology. Whatever good you do will be known to the whole world because of technology. And if you fail to meet your commitments, even that will be known thanks to technology. So your responsibilities have multiplied. You need to be conscious. You need to be aware. You need to be understanding on what value addition are you doing to your customer. The world is going to change dramatically. The expectations of the customers are going to change dramatically. They will want more for less amount of money that they would like to pay you, and you need to fulfill their expectations and their levels of satisfactions. So this is a challenge not only to your customers, it is a challenge to even the other people to whom you are going to be a customer. So this change is going to be all about value innovation and value pricing. So be careful, be understanding, understand the market scenario, and plan your price points accordingly. Never create a price point according to the competition. You need to create a price point in which you will be able to give after sales service to your customer. Do not try to sell it at a lower price so that you'll be able to sell, and then you'll not be able to give the customer service after the transaction is over. So do not do those mistakes. It will be shooting in your own foot. Sandra Lopez, wonderful session, excellent information, effective. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. George, wonderful session. Okay, well said. Thank you. Any venture funding advice? Prakash, any venture funding advice? If we have a sound business idea, how could we find venture funding? If you have a sound business idea, venture funding will find you. I am a venture funding guy. Anybody having a smart idea on this panel, on this particular platform, on the screen, connect with me. My email ID is there. My social media profile is mentioned. The idea needs to be outstanding. Outstanding does not mean that it is outstanding only for you. It should be outstanding to your customers. The idea should not be in a nascent stage. The idea should be tried, tested, and proven. The idea should be profitable when you make a first pitch. So you need to not only raise funds, but you need to raise funds strategically. Never raise funds from a person who can give you only money. Always raise funds from the person who can also give you additional business, additional resources, and money. He needs to give you strategies, and he needs to give you the power of his network. So that is critically important. Money in business has no value today. What is more valuable is who is giving you the money and what else is he giving you along with the money. His goodwill, his brand name, his network, his resources, his existing customers, his potential customers, and his vision. You need all of this along with the money that you want. So it is 6:42 p.m. my friends. I've got 3 minutes more. If there is any other question, definitely I would love to answer that. Agnello has a question. Can mentor be junior and senior as far as she is not misguiding? Your mentor can be the guy who is your driver in the car also. He can guide you on how to have safety norms in a traffic jam so that you can form those norms in the way you do your business. So empathy is something that I have learned from my driver. My driver will not eat food before I eat food. My driver will always ask my homemade whether my tiffin and snacks are packed and kept in the car. he will make sure whether the fruits are there in the car for me, whether the dry fruits are there in the car for me. He will make sure that he will not speed up, because he knows the responsibility of the organization and the families depending on me are very important. So he's a careful driver. So every person around you is your mentor. There are some people whom you acknowledge openly and you acknowledge them subconsciously and consciously. And there are some mentors who are actually teaching you the better ways of living your life. But you need to have formal mentors like mentor Raymond, the coach who's there on the group called Raymond D'Souza, whom I know for the last at least 20 years, who's a very effective coach. So there is no age bar, there is no designation bar, there is nothing. If somebody can teach you something, that he does it better than how you do it. If you can achieve that, he is your mentor. Every mentor will not charge you money, but at the same time, every mentor will teach you new ways of doing what you're doing in a much more effective way. I designate him as a good mentor. Last question I can take. There are questions which are over on the chat box. If there is any last question anybody want to ask, I will ask, and I will request your permission.
Sir, from this moment on, we all have a mentor in you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
The pleasure is
I
mine.
hope, sir, I hope we have the recording correct, because every one of us would like to hear you again and again, sir.
So the pleasure is all mine. It is a privilege being amongst distinguished personalities like y'all. Y'all are doing some great work. Entrepreneurship is the best prayer anybody can pray for. And entrepreneurship is God's solution to serve his people through products and services. So I wish you all the best. I absolutely wish you all the best. Have a God-blessed future. The times of tomorrow are the times of collaboration. The times of tomorrow is collective resources. The times of tomorrow is being together, praying together, staying together, working together, and growing together. And once again, before I say goodbye to you tonight, and God bless the evening and rest of your life, you all can get in touch with me on my social media. Any way I can be helpful to you. It will be more than a pleasure and a privilege to assist you whatever you need. And my regards and my request and my respects to the major who is present for the evening. I'm sure he's going to share his words of wisdom for the benefits of all on this show. Have a God-blessed evening. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you so much.
Jai Hind, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bestie, can you?
I request Nilesh, sir. Yeah, Nilesh, sir, you're there online. Correct.
Bestie, can we have the screen share option, please?
Yes, yes. Yes, it is done.
All right. Now, this part of the meeting is generally a member presentation. We generally have a member who present his business. But today we have someone special to make this presentation, who is helping fight all Vasaikars and small business persons in whatever possible capacity in last 3 months in this lockdown period. He's from Dontalao, Nandakhal, a place Vasaikar. He completed his BSc in Physics from Wilson College, commissioned in Indian Army in September 2010, became helicopter pilot in Indian Army in November 2014, served at Dehradun, Agartala, Nasik, Kargil, and presently posted with Indian Navy as helicopter pilot at Kulaba, Mumbai. Please welcome our own Vasaikar, Major Franklin DeMello. He is going to update us on his journey of last 3 months and his observations on unlimited possibilities here in Vasai. So, welcome.
Can you please put in his slide?
Yeah.
Slide. Yes.
So, Franklin, sir, Major Franklin, over to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Nilesh, sir. Firstly, I would thank BCBA for giving me this opportunity. And I'm I'm not from this background. Thus, pardon me for the little knowledge I have in this. I'm from the services. I'm in the army, and I have a very little knowledge on the business and all. But even then, I have been trying to, help the people around. And in last 3 months, I was able to do. I would not say much, but I could help the people around. And okay, without wasting much of your time, I would like to attract the attention of all the audience towards following points. I would cover my presentation or my talk in 3 points. The first would be the present situation of Vasai and the country. The second point would be remedy to the situation. And third, I would conclude the talk by an example. So I hope that would be a self-explanatory. So the present situation would be, as you have all seen, because of the diminishing, production, or you have seen because of the lockdown, because of the trade not taking place, the production or the food, grains, vegetables, everything has been diminishing. There has been a lot of wastage in the food grains, the vegetables which were produced in Vasai, but then it got wasted due to there was no demand or there was no market for it. So because of this wastage, subsequently people who have been growing this, or the peasants, जे शेतकरी जो शेतमाल उगवत होते, जे शेतकरी भाजीपाला लावत होते, त्यांचं खूप नुकसान झालेलं आहे. आणि ते यामुळे यापुढे परत तो भाजीपाला, परत ते फ्रुट्स लावतील नाही ह्याची काही शाश्वती नाहीये, ह्याची काही गॅरंटी नाहीये. त्यांचं खूप नुकसान झालेलं आहे. So there will be a diminishing production. Second would be the wastage of food, as I already covered. The communication, as you have seen, the communication lines have been disrupted. And now communication lines is the roadways, the airways, the train, the railways, everything. These are the communication lines. It is which is connecting us from one place to other place, other states, other places, other country. So this has been disrupted. So there is no communication lines, or the communication lines have disrupted. There, you would obviously see in coming times, you would see that there would be an increase in poverty, unemployment. The middle class would be inching towards the poverty line. जे मध्यम वर्गीय लोग आहेत, ते गरीब रेषे, दरिद्री रेषे तरफ ते इंच करतायत किंवा त्या तरफ ते बढ़तायत. So this is what is going to happen. And the farmers or the producers or the manufacturers from this place, let's say it's Vasai, Mumbai, Maharashtra, or India, they are all over the world, if you say. So they are the manufacturers and people who manufacture, who doesn't have a shelf life. ज्या गोष्टीची शेल्फ लाईफ नाहीये आणि पेरिशेबल आहेत. ही पेरिशेबल गोष्ट मशिनरी तयार केली तर मशिनरी पेरिशेबल नाहीये, पण फूड ग्रेन्स तयार केले किंवा काही फूड स्टफ प्रोड्यूस केलं जे खराब होते, सो पेरिशेबल जे आहे, तर त्यांचं खूप नुकसान होत चाललेलं आहे. Thus, as I told, it would lead to a low produce, and which might lead to stop in the production, which might lead to shortage of food. And even if you see that you have, तुमच्याकडे पैसा आहे, सगळं आहे, पण जर शेतकऱ्याने किंवा जे जेवण प्रोड्यूस करतात किंवा जे खायला जेवण बनवतायत, जर त्यांनी जेवण बनवलं नाही तर तुम्ही खाणार काय? तुमच्याकडे पैसे खूप आहेत, पण शेतकऱ्याने उद्या जर भारतामध्ये, उद्या जर वसईमध्ये जर तो शेतमाल तो पिकलाच नाही, ते भात जर त्यांनी पिकवलंच नाही, तर तुम्ही काय खाणार? सगळंच काही तुम्हाला अमेझॉन वरून नाही मिळणार. आज उद्या जेव्हा कम्युनिकेशन लाईन्स डिस्ट्रप्टेड होते, जेव्हा वसई कनेक्टेड नव्हती, दुसऱ्या सिटीजची जेव्हा कनेक्टेड नव्हती, आणि इकडे समज कोणता भाजीपाला समज होत नाही, किंवा शेतकऱ्याने सांगितलं ओके माझं एवढं नुकसान झालेलं आहे, मी यापुढे हा भाजीपाला परत इकडे मी पिकवू शकणार नाही, की ही गोष्ट मी इकडे तयार करू शकणार नाही. जर त्याने प्रोडक्शनच स्टॉप केलं तर तुम्ही काय खाणार? तुम्हाला you have to have something to eat, isn't it? So people subsequently, if you see, people will die of hunger. They'll die of hunger and not of corona. So we need to understand this, की पुढे महामारी येते आहे, भूकमारी येते आहे आपल्या पुढे, त्या गोष्टीची आपण काळजी घेऊन त्याप्रमाणे आपण वागलं पाहिजे. So the remedy to the situation, which I think would be, subsequently we'll cover in some points. First is, if you see on a larger scale, you should be, there is a lot of potential of entrepreneurs, in Vasai, and if you come forward, we can provide employment to lot many people. We can set up new businesses. We can use, as you have seen, that Sonam Wangchuk, he has already, announced a good campaign of boycott China. There's a boycott China drive which is being run in the country. So if we support this, and if we can replace China in all whatever possible means that we can, China पासून जे जे काही आपल्याला मिळते, या सगळ्या गोष्टीमध्ये जर आपण चायनाला जर रिप्लेस करण्याचा प्रयत्न जर केला, लेट्स से वसईमध्ये आज उद्या अशी नवीन इंडस्ट्री तयार झाली, वसईमध्ये आपण असे प्रोडक्शन सुरू केलं ज्यामध्ये आपण चायना जे जे इंडियाला सप्लाय करतो त्या गोष्टीमध्ये आपण त्याला रिप्लेस केलं, देन वी हॅव अ व्हेरी गुड मार्केट इन दी कंट्री अँड वी कॅन रिप्लेस चायना इन दी वर्ल्ड. आपण एक्सपोर्ट मध्ये जाऊन आपण चायनाला रिप्लेस करू शकतो. दिस इज द टाइम. लॉकडाऊन मध्ये घरी बसून मजा करण्यापेक्षा, मजा करावी पण टाइम वेस्ट करण्यापेक्षा वी शुड स्टडी दी इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट. भारत काय इम्पोर्ट करते, काय एक्सपोर्ट करते. आपल्याला जी गोष्ट इम्पोर्ट करावी लागत आहे पॉसिबल नाहीये, पण फूड ग्रेन्स तयार केले किंवा काही फूड स्टफ प्रोड्यूस केलं जे खराब होते, सो पेरिशेबल जे आहे, तर त्यांचं खूप नुकसान होत चाललेलं आहे. Thus, as I told, it would lead to a low produce, and which might lead to stop in the production, which might lead to shortage of food. And even if you see that you have, तुमच्याकडे पैसा आहे, सगळं आहे, पण जर शेतकऱ्याने किंवा जे जेवण प्रोड्यूस करतात किंवा जे खायला जेवण बनवत आहेत, जर त्यांनी जेवण बनवलं नाही तर तुम्ही खाणार काय. तुमच्याकडे पैसे खूप आहेत, पण शेतकऱ्याने उद्या जर भारतामध्ये, उद्या जर वसईमध्ये जर तो शेतमाल तो पिकलाच नाही, ते भात जर त्यांनी पिकवलंच नाही, तर तुम्ही काय खाणार. सगळंच काय तुम्हाला अमेझॉन वरून नाही मिळणार. आज उद्या जेव्हा कम्युनिकेशन लाईन्स डिस्टर्बटेड होते, जेव्हा वसई कनेक्टेड नव्हती दुसऱ्या सिटीजची, जेव्हा कनेक्टेड नव्हती, आणि इकडे समज कोणता भाजीपाला समज होत नाही, किंवा शेतकऱ्याने सांगितलं ओके माझं एवढं नुकसान झालेलं आहे, मी यापुढे हा भाजीपाला परत इकडे मी पिकवू शकणार नाही, की ही गोष्ट मी इकडे तयार करू शकणार नाही. जर त्याने प्रोडक्शनच स्टॉप केलं तर तुम्ही काय खाणार. तुम्हाला यू हॅव टू हॅव समथिंग टू ईट, इजंट इट. सो पीपल सबसिक्वेंटली, इफ यू सी, पीपल विल die of hunger. They'll die of hunger and not of corona. So we need to understand this, की पुढे महामारी येते, भूकमारी येते आपल्या पुढे, त्या गोष्टीची आपण काळजी घेऊन त्याप्रमाणे आपण वागलं पाहिजे. So the remedy to the situation, which I think would be, subsequently we'll cover in some points. First is, if you see on a larger scale, you should be, there is a lot of potential of entrepreneurs, in Vasai, and if you come forward, we can provide employment to many people. We can set up new businesses. We can use, as you have seen, that Sonam Wangchuk, he has already announced a good campaign of boycott China. There's a boycott China drive which is being run in the country. So if we support this, and if we can replace China in all whatever possible means that we can, China पासून जे जे काही आपल्याला मिळते, या सगळ्या गोष्टीमध्ये जर आपण चायनाला जर रिप्लेस करण्याचा प्रयत्न जर केला, लेट्स से वसईमध्ये आज उद्या अशी नवीन इंडस्ट्री तयार झाली, वसईमध्ये आपण असे प्रोडक्शन सुरू केलं ज्यामध्ये आपण चायना जे जे इंडियाला सप्लाय करतो त्या गोष्टीमध्ये आपण त्याला रिप्लेस केलं, देन वी हॅव अ व्हेरी गुड मार्केट इन दी कंट्री अँड वी कॅन रिप्लेस चायना इन दी वर्ल्ड. आपण एक्सपोर्ट मध्ये जाऊन आपण चायनाला रिप्लेस करू शकतो. दिस इज द टाइम. लॉकडाऊन मध्ये घरी बसून मजा करण्यापेक्षा, मजा करावी पण टाइम वेस्ट करण्यापेक्षा वी शुड स्टडी दी इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट. भारत काय इम्पोर्ट करते, काय एक्सपोर्ट करते. आपल्याला जी गोष्ट इम्पोर्ट करावी लागत आहे ती गोष्ट जर आपण वसईमध्ये जर प्रोड्यूस केली, तर देन दिस डेफिसिट, द ट्रेड डेफिसिट जो आहे, जो इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट जो डेफिसिट आहे, तो आपण कमी करू शकतो. तो आपण जो वॉइड आहे, जो गॅप आहे, तो आपण fill करू शकतो. We can learn these statistics. It is readily available on the internet. You can just check the statistics and you can find, okay, which sector you need to go, कोणत्या सेक्टरमध्ये तुम्हाला जायचं आहे. देर आर टाइप्स ऑफ बिझनेस. असं नाही की मला काहीतरी मॅन्युफॅक्चरच करायचं आहे. इट इज कोणताही बिझनेस जो असतो तो फक्त कोणत्या गोष्ट प्रोड्यूस करण्यामध्ये नाही. इट कॅन बी अ गुड्स or it can be services. Let's say I will just name, where all you can fit in. You just find out the flow chart. Upon flow chart the like something is being manufactured. Then after manufacture it is being given to a wholesaler. From wholesaler कोण ती गोष्ट घेतो आणि त्याला ब्रँड देतो. अगोदर जर तुम्ही बघितलं असेल तर आपल्याला दुकानामध्ये चणे शेंगदाणे आपल्याला दुकानामध्ये असे वाण्याच्या दुकानामध्ये मिळत होते, जे एका गनी बॅग मध्ये बांधलेले होते. पण आजकाल हल्दीराम चणे शेंगदाणे आपल्याला ब्रँड करून पाकिटामध्ये पॅक करून देतो. खूप सारे असे हे ब्रँड्स आहेत जे आपल्याला दररोज लागणारी जी गोष्ट पोहे, अजून खूप काही रवा, हे सगळं ब्रँडिंग आजकाल सगळं ब्रँड होते. तर यू कॅन बी वन ऑफ दिस person who can take it from a wholesaler. You can brand it, you can create your own brand with your unique USP, maintaining the hygiene and the guidelines given by WHO, the food standards. You can follow those and you can do it. You can be one of the retailer. You can sell it. You can open up a shop. आज जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर जी आजूबाजूला जे कंडिशन आहे की रिक्षावाले त्यांच्याकडे काही करायला काम नाही, तर त्यांनी दुकानात रिक्षावाले, अजून खूप काही सर्व्हिसेसवाले ज्यांच्याकडे काही काम नाही, ज्यांच्याकडे काही एम्प्लॉयमेंट नाही, त्यांनी दुकानातून भाजीपाला विकत घेतला आहे, अन्नधान्य विकत घेतलेलं आहे आणि दुकानावरती आणि रस्त्यावरती विकायला बसले. सो एव्हरीवन हॅज कम ऑन स्ट्रीट्स टू सपोर्ट देअर फॅमिली. एव्हरीवन हॅज कम ऑन स्ट्रीट्स टू सेल समथिंग सो दॅट दे कॅन सपोर्ट देअर फॅमिली. सो वी कॅन those guys are the retailer. They have taken the opportunity. They have just picked up the opportunity and they have become retailer. This is the एकदम सगळ्यात मिनिस्क्युल किंवा शॉर्ट जर आपण ह्याच्यावर बघितलं, स्केलवर बघितलं, ही एक त्यांनी अपॉर्च्युनिटी, त्यांनी फायदा उचललेला आहे. So we can choose one of the roles from this supply chain or the flow chart. We can use the raw material which is available in abundance around us. Whatever जे रॉ मटेरियल जी वेस्ट चाललेलं आहे ड्यू टू दिस लॉकडाऊन और ड्यू टू, जोपर्यंत ही कम्युनिकेशन लाईन्स रिएस्टॅब्लिश होत नाही, जोपर्यंत हे सगळं वेस्टेज चाललेलं आहे किंवा या सगळ्या गोष्टींचा फायदा होत नाहीये किंवा ते ज्या जागी पोचलं पाहिजे त्या जागी जात नाही, तोपर्यंत आपण या रॉ मटेरियलचा यूज करून इकडे एक नवीन बिझनेस सेटअप करू शकतो. ह्याचं एक्झाम्पल मी माझ्या जे कन्फ्युजन देणार त्यामध्ये मी सांगेन मी कसा या गोष्टीचा फायदा उचलला, की जे रॉ मटेरियल जे होतं त्याचा मी कसा फायदा उचलला. we should be able to tap this opportunity. ही जी रॉ मटेरियल एकदम चीप मध्ये तुम्हाला अवेलेबल आहे. वी शुड बी एबल टू grasp this, tap this and use it. Please try to understand that every business has a consumer class. Let's say आता निलेश मिनेजी सर आहेत, he can afford, सॉरी निलेश सर मी तुमचं नाव घेतोय, बट आय जस्ट टेक एन एक्झाम्पल.
Yes, no problem.
या निलेश सर ते दुकानात जातात आणि ही सेज ओके आय वॉन्ट आशीर्वाद आटा. सो ही इज द कंझ्युमर क्लास वेअर आशीर्वाद आटाचा एक कंझ्युमर क्लास मध्ये निलेश सर बसतात. बट आय एम पुअर, आय कांट अफोर्ड आशीर्वाद आटा. मी दुकानात जातो, मी सांगतो बा मला आटा दे, 1 किलो आटा दे. मी हे नाही सांगत मला आशीर्वाद आटा पाहिजे. निलेश सर दुकानात जातात, मला इंडिया गेट बासमती राईस हवंय, पण मी दुकानात जातो बाबा मला राईस हवंय. ते बासमती राईस घेत आहेत, इंडिया गेटचं राईस घेत आहेत, पण मी फक्त तांदूळ घेतोय. मी ब्रँड सांगत नाही. सो इफ यू एस्टॅब्लिश एनी बिझनेस यू शुड अंडरस्टँड दॅट यू आर नॉट. आज जर मी बिस्किट्स बनवण्याचा धंदा सुरू केला तर मी ब्रिटानियाशी कॉम्पिटिशन नाही करत आहे. और मी जो बिझनेस सेटअप करेन, देर विल बी पीपल हु वुड गो टू अ शॉप अँड जस्ट आस्क फॉर अ बिस्किट. त्यांना सकाळी चहामध्ये मुलाला डब्याला देण्यासाठी त्यांना फक्त बिस्किट हवं आहे, मग ते ब्रिटानियाचा गुड डे असो की अजून काही. It doesn't matter to them. So you should understand that you're not competing with those brands. You have a consumer class. एक हाय क्लास आहे, एक मिडल क्लास आहे आणि त्यापेक्षा अजून खाली आहे. सो यू शुड नो दॅट यू आर नॉट कम्पिटिंग. सो धंदा सुरू करण्याचा किंवा बिझनेस सुरू करायच्या अगोदर असं नाही हतबलून बसायचं की अरे बापरे, ऑलरेडी मार्केटमध्ये ब्रिटानिया आहे, ऑलरेडी मार्केटमध्ये मदर डेअरी आहे, ऑलरेडी मार्केटमध्ये बेडेकर मसाला आहे, आता मी कसा मसाला बनवणार, मी कोणाशी माझा मसाला कोण विकत घेणार. तुमचा मसाला विकत घेण्यासाठी देअर इज अ कंझ्युमर क्लास. सो वी शुड अंडरस्टँड दॅट इफ वी सपोर्ट इच अदर. आता मागेच 1-2 दिवसा अगोदर मी एक माझ्या व्हॉट्सअप जो ग्रुप चालवतो त्याच्यावरती एक मी फॉरवर्ड वाचलं. एक मेसेज होता की ऋतिक रोशनला तुम्ही ओळखत नाहीत, अमिताभ बच्चनला तुम्ही ओळखत नाहीत, पण त्यांनी ब्रँड केलं किंवा त्यांनी ऍडव्हर्टाईज केलेली तुम्ही गोष्ट विकत घेतात. पण तुमचाच मित्र, तुमचेच नातेवाईक जे तुम्ही जन्मापासून ज्यांना ओळखतात, त्यांचा धंदा आहे, त्यांच्या गोष्टी त्या जे मॅन्युफॅक्चर करतात, पण त्याकडून तुम्ही कधीच घेणार नाही किंवा त्यांना तुम्ही सपोर्ट करणार. इजंट इट? यावरती जर आपण जर लक्ष दिलं किंवा याबद्दल आपण जर विचार केला तर एक्झॅक्टली दिस इज व्हॉट वी हॅव बीन डुईंग. आपण अमिताभ बच्चन, ऐश्वर्या राय ह्यांना आपण ओळखत नाही, ते कुठचे फिल्म स्टार्स आहेत, पण त्यांनी ऍडव्हर्टाइजमेंट केली म्हणून त्या ब्रँडला आपण सपोर्ट करतो. पण आपला ब्रँड, निलेश मिनाजी सरांचा जो ब्रँड आहे, त्यांनी जे एस्टॅब्लिश केलेला आहे, त्या गोष्टीला आम्ही सपोर्ट करू शकतो. अँड इफ आय सपोर्ट हिम, ही इज गोइंग टू सपोर्ट मी. जे आता आपल्याला अग्निवर राजेश सरांनी जे सांगितलं की एक्झाम्पल दिलं आपलं, काउज in a herd, if they are in a herd they can produce much more better quality of milk and much more quantity of milk. So if we work in a herd, आपण जर एकत्रपणे जर केलं तर there will be a large increase in the production and we can help each other in this. We should set up आजच्या घडीला आपण तो बिझनेस, मी जर सांगतोय की there is a lot scope of setting up a business. So सेटिंग अप अ बिझनेस, यू नीड टू थिंक की आपल्याला विचार करून असा सेटअप करायचा आहे की ह्याची पूर्णपणे सप्लाय चेन जी आहे, मला रॉ मटेरियल हवं असेल, लेट्स से मला उद्याच्या घडीला आय हॅव टू मेक अ मशिनरी, मला एक ट्रॅक्टर बनवायचं आहे, मला एक कार बनवायची आहे, तर त्याचं मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंगसाठी जे पाईप लागेल, तो पाईप, जी स्टेरिंग लागेल, जी मशिनरी लागेल, जे त्याच्यामध्ये मेटल पार्ट्स, जे नटबोल्ट लागतात, ह्या सगळ्या वस्तू वसईमध्ये अवेलेबल आहेत का? किंवा नसेल तो यू शुड कम टुगेदर. 10 people, 20 people have come together. You have outsourced. निलेश मिनेजी सरांना मी सांगितलं, फ्रँकलिन डिमेलो आला, अग्निलो तोडती आला, अग्निलो राजेश सर आले. ओके, तुम्ही स्टेरिंग बनवा, तुम्ही मेटलचे शीट्स बनवा, तुम्ही नटबोल्ट बनवा, मी हे बनवतो, मी इंजिन बनवतो. आपण हे सगळं असेंबल करून वसईमध्ये वसईचा ब्रँड का नाही करू शकत? आपण वसईमध्ये आपण एक कार का नाही मॅन्युफॅक्चर करू शकत? मला हे कळत नाही. इफ यू हॅव अ विल, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू शुड बिलीव्ह that you can do it. That is the first point, or that is the first step of success. First believe that you can do it and then you will succeed. So the business can be interdependent. उद्या जर भूकंप आला, जसं लॉकडाऊन झालं होतं आणि कम्युनिकेशन लाईन डिस्टर्ब झाले होते, उद्या जर भूकंप आला आणि वसई वाहून गेली, इट इज फ्लोटिंग इन टू द अरेबियन सी, जर फ्लोट होऊन पाण्यामध्ये गेली, एक बेट तयार झालं, तर वसई शुड बी एबल टू सस्टेन विदिन इटसेल्फ. जेवण, खाणं, पिणं, राहणं, आपल्याला ज्या लागतात, ज्या वस्तू आपल्याला ज्या गरज आहेत, त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आपल्यावर एकमेकांवरती इंटरडिपेंडेंट राहून आपण एकमेकांच्या गरजा पुरवू शकतो. या गोष्टीकडे आपण विचार केला पाहिजे. सो आपल्याकडे जे बाहेरून जी गोष्ट येते, ती गोष्ट आपण आता इकडे करू शकतो. त्या गोष्टी, तो वॉइड किंवा तो गॅप आपण भरू शकतो. अगेन, as Agnilo Rajesh sir has told that we can share the resources. So if we share the resources, this is how we can come together and we can help each other, everyone to grow. New business can be eco-friendly, it can be organic in nature. Business in agricultural sector, you have seen eco-friendly, जसं मी सांगतोय की just to give an example, जर आपण बघितलं तर रिसायकलिंग ऑफ प्लास्टिक तुम्ही करून तुम्ही त्याचे पेवर ब्लॉक्स बनवू शकतात, टाइल्स बनवू शकतात, जर्सी बनवू शकतात, शूज बनवू शकतात, खूप काही गोष्ट. गार्बेज, प्लास्टिक इज अवेलेबल इन अबंडन्स इट इज अवेलेबल, तुमच्या आजूबाजूला पडलेलं आहे. जर तुम्ही हे आहेत, जर टेक्नॉलॉजी अवेलेबल आहे, जर आपल्याकडचे इन्व्हेस्टर्स, आपल्याकडचे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जर एकत्र आले आणि आपण वसईमध्ये, माझी ही विजन आहे, दिस इज माय विजन, आपल्या वसईमध्ये जर आपल्याला जर अशी इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करायची असेल जिकडे आपण शूज बनवू शकतो, पॉलिफ्युएल बनवू शकतो, त्यापासून पेट्रोल, डिझेल, जसं क्रूड ऑइल पासून प्लास्टिक बनते, तसं प्लास्टिक पासून क्रूड ऑइल पण बनू शकते. इट इज, यू कॅन विथ द यूज ऑफ द रिएक्टर अँड द कॅटलिस्ट, यू कॅन अगेन गेट petrol, diesel, compressed natural gas, and lot many things. So you can do it. So why not use it? आपल्या आजूबाजूला मी सांगितलं की जे रॉ मटेरियल अवेलेबल आहे अबंडन्स मध्ये, आता तुम्ही त्या संधीचा तुम्ही फायदा उचला. आजूबाजूला कचरा पडलेला आहे, त्या कचऱ्यापासून तुम्ही बिझनेस करू शकता. तुम्हाला अवेलेबल आहे.
Sorry to interrupt, Major Franklin.
Yeah.
We have some time limitations, so
yeah. I'll just finish it within a minute.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. So just to, as I told, these are the business opportunities that we have around. So I would just conclude with the एक्झाम्पल दॅट आम्ही जे केलं लास्ट 3 महिन्यामध्ये किंवा 2 महिन्यामध्ये आपल्या इकडे जे शेतकरी होते, जे केळ्याचे शेतकरी बेसिकली बनाना फार्मर्स, देअर बनानाज वर गेटिंग वेस्टेड, एव्हरीथिंग वॉज गेटिंग वेस्टेड. हे सगळं वाशी मार्केटला जायचं, गुजरातला जायचं, सुरतला जायचं, बट ड्यू टू लॉकडाऊन एव्हरीथिंग वॉज स्टॉप. सो व्हॉट वी डिड इज जे केळ्यांचे शेतकरी होते त्यांच्याकडून केळी घेऊन जे फुलांचा व्यवसाय करत होते, फ्लावर कल्टिवेटर्स होते, त्यांचं मंदिर मस्जिद सगळं बंद आहे, चर्च वगैरे सगळं, लग्न बार्शी सगळं काहीच चालू नाहीये, त्यांचं नुकसान चाललेलं आहे, फुलं फुकट चाललेली आहे. त्यांना केळी नेऊन दिली आणि त्यांना सांगितलं की तुम्ही केळ्यापासून तुम्ही लोणचं बनवा, तुम्ही केळ्यापासून तुम्ही वाईन बनवा. अँड वी हॅव गॉट टुगेदर 8 to 10 फार्मर्स. केळी सगळ्यांकडून विकत घेतले, 8 to 10 फ्लावर कल्टिवेटर्सला आपण एकत्र केलं आणि वी हॅव प्रोड्युस्ड, वी हॅव मॅन्युफॅक्चर्ड 1000 kgs of banana pickle, 500 kgs of banana chips, which we have already sold, wine, banana wine of 2000 liters, and banana flour, kacha banana ka peat, 500 kilo. We have done this in last 1 month. And in this venture, we have given employment to 58 families, 40 tons of bananas were consumed. And obviously, as I told, we have helped the banana producers and obviously the flower cultivators. In this, I have a group which we are running, that is Z, Zero Exposure Drive. So we have David DeMontes, Leon Dias, Akshay Lopez, Vinay Machado, Austin Rumo. All of these people have, helped me, and this, as I told, banana pickle and everything which is made by the farmers is available to be sold out. That's all I would like to, that's how I would like to conclude that.
Thank you, Major. Thank you so much. Harman D'Souza, on behalf of BCBA, आम्ही प्रॉमिस करतो की वी विल सी दॅट तुमचं स्वप्न बीसीबीए कसं साकार करू शकेल, बीसीबीए तुमच्या स्वप्न कसं साकार करू शकेल वसईमध्ये. We are really touched by the concern of your concern for Vasai, so much concern for Vasai. By serving the country, you have also emotionally attached to Vasai and the welfare of your near and dear ones. We are so much proud of you, sir. You may be a soldier by profession, but by heart, you are an entrepreneur, a planner, a visionary, a concerned citizen. We are so proud to have you here in Vasai with us. And again, once again, we thank you so much for devoting this time and discussing this in these difficult times, the ways we can do business in Vasai. Thank you so much, Major Franklin Nimelo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Arman sir. Thank you, Major Franklin. Inspiring talk.
Thank you, Major.
Now, members, we have now come to one of the most keenly awaited part of the meeting, the infomercials. Now, every member will have an opportunity to introduce themselves and their business. All of it in just 30 seconds. So, just see the format here. Your name of the company, nature of business, and how can BCBA members help you. So every member will have 30 seconds and there is a timer, which is, you can see the red line. Now we don't have Samson today here to leave for some emergency. So you can see the next name on the right hand corner, right below. So we have next presenter, Harman D'Souza.
My name is Harman D'Souza. You can see my name, so it's very little for me to say something. My business name is Harman Homes. I am into property trading. Recently, I have ventured into wholesale rice business under the name of Anvidya. And that's it, Nilesh. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good evening, friends. My name is David DeMonte. My company firm name is Giving Best Solutions. I give solutions that will help you and your family to reach to your goals. LIC, Star Health Mediclaim, group insurance, and especially the surgical cookware and cold press oil, by which you can improve your immunity power, thereby fight any corona, whatever disease come your way. Because of your immunity power, you will survive in this world and achieve your dreams. Thank you, David.
This is Nilesh Banerjee from NM Consulting Partnering Business Care, a global firm with global experience and understanding of local needs. We identify and plug financial leakages through management audits and by recommending efficient and risk managing process controls. This directly results in sustainable and long-term destination for our clients. Once again, Nilesh Manages from NM Consulting, Partnering Business Care. Thank you. Vesti, are you here around? All right, can we have Payash Miranda?
Yeah, I'm Payash Miranda, business name Sky Broadband Services, and Miranda itself. Besides my cable TV and internet business, I'm into land investment. जर कोणाला लँड प्लॉट हवा असेल आपलं बंगलोसाठी म्हणा किंवा फार्म हाऊस साठी सो आय एम देअर अवेलेबल. थँक्यू.
Hello, Prakash Almera from Career Development Center and Knowledge Foundation. We are in career counseling services and management services. Prakash Almera from Career Development Center and Knowledge Management. Offer real guidance.
Agnello, are you here around? Time is up.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. This is Agnello Dortillo. I represent two businesses. Basically, iSecure Digital Solutions and Grill Roles. Basically, iSecure is into surveillance and IT solutions. Basically, IT infrastructure setup, development, and maintenance. Also, Grill Roles, it's into fast food chain and hotels. We deal into fast food services, basically Katirol, pizza, burger, shawarma, Lebanese, Thai, and Chinese and Indian food. Basically. If anyone have any kind of comment into these particular two domains, please get back to me. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. Hello.
Good evening. We can hear you.
Good evening. This is Kajiran from Mario Designs. I'm into commercial designing and printing. Any type of commercial designing and printing.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
John, are you here around? John Pinto.
Unmute, John. Good evening, friends. This is John Pinto representing Techflow Engineers. We are in the business of repair and maintenance of cooling towers. We have our factory in Patna and operate all over India.
Dinah Satam.
Good evening, everyone. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Dinah, we can hear you.
Yeah, I'm Dinah Satam from Neil Consultancy Services. We are into payroll and statutory compliances. We also help in obtaining licenses such as shops and establishment and contract labor license. We have one more business named as Expert Cleans, where we go at your doorstep and we wash your cars. So right now we have also started sanitizing the car. If anybody needs the requirements, please come back to me. I'm Dinah Satam. Thank you.
Thank you, Dinah. Paul Brito. Collins, you can go ahead, please.
Hi, friends. Good evening.
Good evening.
Collins Sequeira from the Sousa's Best Homes, marketing consultants for Luciano Designer Bungalow. I'm also proud to mention that I've joined hands with Mr. Pius, on the BCBA committee member in developing plots in and around Vasai, and would shortly be engaged in construction of farmhouses and villas as well. Recently, we have commenced financial consulting as well, wherein we are offering finance at interest rates as low as 5% per annum. In case anyone is interested, you can please connect with me. Thank you, one and all. Have a nice evening. Good night.
Thank you, Colin. Can I request everyone to put themselves on mute mode? I am host at the moment, so it is very difficult for me to switch between the screens. So request everyone to remain on mute mode. Once your name appears, you can unmute yourself. Thank you. Randall Lopez. Rakesh, please be ready. Rakesh. Can we have Anand Pereira? Amita Carvalho. All right, Raymond sir.
You can get free information on YouTube and anywhere online. But what you will get from a mentor is direction. It is better to have a coach without a business than to have a business without a coach. My ask is second generation entrepreneurs who would like to start a second line of business and are seeking direction. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Can we have Dominic D'Souza from Fauzi? Gregory Moniz.
Yeah, good evening. Hi, I'm Gregory from Max Life. My ask is, you all know me, my ask is India is a necessity for life insurance and health insurance under coronavirus time.
Gregory, you can be softer. You can be softer.
Over.
Yeah.
Should I repeat?
Thank you. No, that's okay. That's okay, Gregory. Thank you.
Thank you, Nilesh. Thank you.
Noel. Noel Pereira. Can we have Joy Toscano, please? Can we have Bruno Lobo? Can we have George De Silva?
Good evening. My name is George. I have a business with them that is of daily mineral water, zero soda, exotic, and Rio fusion drink.
I think you must put off your video while talking. So, I mean, this may improve your network connectivity. If you want to say again, we could not hear you properly. You can put off your video. Yeah, you want to introduce again?
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes, yes. Good evening. My name is George De Silva. My company name is Jujam Sport Services. I have distribution over Vasai and Nayo for mineral water billing, exotic zero soda, and Rio fusion drink. Thank you.
Thank you. Can we have Achla Colasso? Ryan Machado? Francis Toscano, sir? Godfrey De Brito. Can we have Alex?
Yes, good evening, everybody. This is Alex. The name of my company is Solutions, and we are into property management. We do maintenance, repairs, interiors, installations, and we even renew the property. I look into corporate offices, societies, warehouses, bungalows, guest houses, and any of the property which needs to be developed or to be repaired or maintained. Okay, this is Alex once again, and the name of the company is Solutions.
Thank you, thank you. Alex became a BCBA member today, so we wish and welcome Alex and BCBA.
Yeah, warm welcome to you, Alex Naruna. Warm welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All right, so now can we have infomercials from visitors? I'll just share the screen.
Nilesh.
Yes.
I have sent one message to you on WhatsApp. Just check it out. The presentation which can be shared to everybody.
Yeah, all right. So we can have visitors infomercial. Terence, are you here? Sandra?
Hello. Good evening.
Yes, good evening.
Sandra Almeida. I'm an assistant professor at Viva College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Teaching is not just a profession, it is my passion. And after 16 years of service in teaching, it's become a sacrament for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandra. Good to know. Robert sir? Robert sir, ahat ka tumhe?
I think he's left. Left.
Okay. Ronnie? Dominic?
Good evening. This is Dominic Castellino. I represent a company, Star Electronic Concepts. It's a 14-year-old company, and we provide end-to-end solutions in fire and security systems. We are spread across India, and anyone who needs any solutions in fire and security are welcome. Thank you.
Thanks, Dominic. We have Boniface. Are you here around?
Hello.
Still? Yeah, Boniface.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. I'm a vendor. Right now, I've started a new company, event company, which I received all event, and the event will be according to your budget. Thank you.
Thank you, Boniface. Can we have Clevers?
Yes. Hello. Good evening,
Clevers.
everybody. Warm welcome and greetings from Clevers, Estonia, from Indo-Baltic Chamber of Commerce and Industry. So we help Indian companies to set up their European office in Estonia, the most digital country in the world. So if you have any requirement to set up your office in Estonia, in Europe, please contact us. Thank you very much, and good evening and nice weekend to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Clevers. Can we have Eric Fonseca?
Hi, Nilesh. Good evening to everyone. My name is Eric Fonseca and I represent a glass category. Currently and recently we have developed a glass magnetic board which is the need of the hour. Everybody in an education system has come to a standstill and everybody wants to have a writing board at their home. Currently we use a normal board, but we at MEPT Glass have come up with a glass magnetic board. So my ask would be everyone who would be wanting to write on their home and want to teach their kids on the writing board. Thank you so much once again, Eric Fonseca from MEPT Glass. Thank you, Nilesh.
Thank you for joining, everyone. Now we have a few announcements. We conduct webinars every Friday, and coming Friday we'll have a webinar on professionalism, build your own brand by Viraj Almeida. Viraj is also a Vasaikar basically from Nirmal Parish. Now currently he stays in Borivali. He has his own training institute. On 26th of June, we'll have a session for parents and children that will be moderated by our own committee member, Prakash Almeida, sir. As we discussed in last meeting, we are coming up with a new initiative, Bridge the Gap between unused possibilities with some of our members and idle time with other members. So we'll come to this initiative. And one more initiative, Connect, that we are targeting between, establishing contacts between BCBA members and various authorities here in Vasai, which will benefit our members. So, yeah, I think that's it for today's meeting. So we would like to thank all BCBA members, all visitors, entire working committee members for making this event successful. Our speaker, Agnello Rajesh Athaid, our special guest, Major Franklin. Thanks to everyone. Now, as discussed, we have next webinar, which is open to all. Please ensure that you invite your guests, your visitors, and spread the news to everyone. We also have few webinars organized by Dimensions, which are very good. One of the webinar is being conducted on Sunday, and we'll try to collaborate that with BCBA Facebook page. We'll look into it. That's it, and wish you all a happy and blessed weekend, a happy feast of St. Anthony tomorrow, and more happiness. Thank you very much, and good night.
Good night.
We'll be there for next 5 minutes for networking.
Good night. Thanks for a great meeting.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Bestie, Nilesh.
Thank you.
Thank you all organizing committee members. Thank you very much. Thank you, Haman sir. Thank you, Nilesh sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Have a nice evening. Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Nilesh sir, for